Friends, we're having another very windy day. It's June 10th. It usually is not this windy when we're approaching June. So I'm a little bit surprised. Normally when I'm standing here at this window, I can see the mountains, and right now I barely see the mountains. And friends, look, let me see if I can bring this closer. My grapes are flying all over the place. Oh dear. This is the backyard, friends. I'm inside the house, filming through the screen door. It looks like it's starting to quiet down a little bit. But also this morning when I got up, I saw a lot of debris on the ground. Friends, can you hear that? Can you hear the noise? Whoa. Very, very windy. We do get a lot of dust over here too, friends, because we're in the desert. Let's take a look at there. Wow, it's picking up again, friends. I think I just heard some thunder, so we may get a little bit of rain. I have a wind chime in my backyard and it's moving. Thanks for watching, friends.